the last 4 years, Morgan Steel has gone from your run-of-the-mill service center to a one-stop shop, full-line steel service center with several lasers, press brakes, welding, as well as added facilities.
Morgan Steel installed our first high-powered flat laser in 2018 and have seen massive growth in our customers' need for those services since then. As our lasers grew, so did our need for nitrogen. In 2019, we installed our first NitroCube nitrogen generation system.
Right now, Morgan Steel is using the NitroCubes and NitrO2 Air. Partnering with MSS has allowed us to easily expand our laser cutting and fabrication facility. Before we partnered with MSS, we were at the mercy of the gas supplier for deliveries. Now we're able to produce nitrogen in-house, and that gives us an ease and a safety blanket around our fabrication facility. This allows us to grow at an exponential rate and expand without having to deal with large construction times and lead times on the bulk tanks required to run this equipment.
Who would have thought when Morgan Steel was founded in 2014 that we'd be standing here in 2023 saying that we have the largest private nitrogen generation system in the US?
With our newest addition for our last 2 NitroCubes, Morgan Steel is now able to produce 5 million cubic foot a month, and this helps us feed our fleet of 11 high-powered fiber lasers.
Since 2019, we've gone from our first NitroCube to 8 total NitroCubes in our fleet. They have been a huge part of supporting our growth, our ability to support our customers through all the upheavals, all the supply chain issues with the pandemic and all of the things that we faced. Morgan Steel and our partnership with MSS has allowed us to continue to support our customers' laser cutting needs and help them feel secure in their supply chains.
MSS Nitrogen integration is as easy as plug and play to get a new laser system up and running. Whether it's the generators or the storage, they'll work with whatever your needs are.
The NitroCubes are equipped with some very advanced diagnostic tools that can be accessed remotely by the MSS team, allowing them to continually monitor the performance and monitor service needs for the NitroCubes. For us here at Morgan Steel, the sky's the limit. We're going to keep growing. We're going to keep adding flat lasers. We're going to keep supporting our customers' growing needs in those front. And as we do so, we will continue to add MSS NitroCubes to support the nitrogen consumption for those lasers.
I would recommend partnering with MSS to anyone looking to cut costs and achieve a better bottom line.